Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kilani and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day makeup look using the brand new Colourpop collection, which is for Valentine's Day. I know I'm a little bit late, but not that bad. You guys still have time to get that makeup on. So without further ado, let's get this started. And so without further ado, if you guys want to see the collection and how I created this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start. I am barefaced because we have a little skincare on this collection that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. The first thing that I want to share is this cute little mirror that came in the box. It's so freaking cute. It's a heart shaped. It says Colourpop. Well, Colourpop. So cute. It's like pink. I love it. For the skincare, you guys know that Fourth Ray is kind of like a sister brand to Colourpop, so they sent over a few goodies. We have the cute little bag, and inside we have a rose face milk. We also have a gel cleanser. We have a Fresh AF mist, and there's also, I believe, a overnight lip mask. So my face is actually already with some skincare products, so I'm not going to be using the cleanser, but it says it's an AM to the PM gel cleanser, so I'll probably give it a try. I love these mini ones because they come really in handy when they come really handy. Wait, what? They come in clutch when you are traveling, so yeah, I really like them. But the first thing that I'm going to actually apply is going to be this rose face milk on my skin. I love these ones. I have the ones that are like, I think I have the avocado one. I think I have the tea tree oil, I think it is, and they're just really nice for the skin. I really like them, and I love applying them like before my makeup for a really smooth canvas. Even though it says an overnight lip mask, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of it and put it on my lips so we can get this lips moistured and ready for lipstick later. It's really soft. And I'm actually gonna take the Fresh AF mist. I already have my brows done, so I don't wanna like ruin them, so I'm gonna put my hand on them, but I'm gonna spray it all over my face, even though my skin looks real dewy and good. It's the skincare before makeup for me. So in the collection, we have 3 mini eyeshadow palettes. We have Melt For You, 143, and I believe it's called S.W.A.K. But I love these mini palettes because, again, they come super in handy when traveling because they're super small and, like, you know, nice to just put in like in your purse kind of thing. But I'm going to show you, obviously this entire collection is Valentine's inspired. So we have, oh, one of them is broken. Okay, here are the palettes. This is what they look like. Again, on the top we have Melt For You, middle we have 143, and at the bottom we have S.W.A.K. So I went ahead and I prepped one eye because I'm going to do the other one off camera. But I'm going to start with the Melt For You palette. And I think I'm going to take the color right here that's called Sweetie. I don't even know what I'm doing yet, but we'll figure it out. I'm thinking kind of like a, you know what I mean? Okay, pigment. Now I'm gonna go over with the pink palette, which is the 143, that's what it's called. And I'm gonna go with the color Cute, like the letter QT. Just a nice pink, kind of doing like a gradient of pink kind of thing. So with the same pink palette, I'm gonna take this color called LOML. LOML? Does that stand for something? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna take that shade and pretty much just kind of like, you know, wing that out at the end. Okay, you guys, so this is what I have so far. It's a little nice gradient of pink, graphic liner type of thing. I'm not sure if I want to put a liner on top or not. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, and I am back. Obviously, I put on foundation, contour, doing a little bit of baking right now. The lashes that I have on are Beauty Creations in the Styled Classified. Honestly, one of my favorite lashes. I mean, the brand, I have so many different styles. They're super good, super affordable. They're like $5 or $6, something like that. So I really love them. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush. The collection comes with 3 of them. We have, starting from this side, Love Me Not, Kiss and Tell, and then My Type. The packaging is just so freaking cute. It's a little heart. It's so cute. Honestly, it's so cute. So this is My Type. This is Kiss and Tell. And this is Love Me Not. They are so adorable, all of them, honestly, and the colors look really nice. So I think because I'm doing the whole pink moment that I'm gonna go with the pink blush. I might mix it up a little bit with Love Me Not, which is the red one, but I might do like a little mixture of them too. I cannot believe, guys, that before I wasn't like a blush person. Now I'm like, give me the blush. I actually only put on the pink one, My Type, and I don't think I want to go with the red one because I'm actually really liking this whole pink monochromatic vibe. So never mind, I'm just gonna stay with the pink one. Okay, you guys, and this is pretty much the look. It's looking so cute and so pink. I love it. Okay, so the collection also comes with a face and body highlighter. It's pretty big. I love these pans because they will last you forever. But this is what the packaging, the component looks like. It's called Pink Truffle. Oh no. It's completely shattered. Okay, but it's super pinkish. Jesus, I'm gonna make a mess. I don't want to make a mess. I'm sorry, guys. So it's super pinkish and cute. I'm gonna try to like put it on for the sake of the video, but it's shattered and I'm gonna have to fix it. That is so cute. Okay, and this highlighter, it's so cute, you guys. I'm loving it. The collection also comes with a face stamp. It's a little like heart. I am gonna actually put it on, but I'm gonna put it on for like a little photo on my Instagram. I want to take some pictures without this stamp of the look first, but it comes in this little pan. I'm gonna show you guys in the back of my hand what it looks like. It's literally a stamp of a little heart, red heart, super cute. I might do like a little one over here or something, but like I said, for the look on my Instagram, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. My name is K, same as here. On this collection, we also have a shimmering drying oil, which is absolutely beautiful, which is absolutely beautiful. I have this in like every color that they always send out. This one's a little rose light pink. It's beautiful, looks amazing on your skin, on your body. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and also, you know, change the situation, and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, and we are done. Went ahead and changed my shirt to a little pink moment, little bling bling, you know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and the look and the collection is absolutely stunning. So perfect right now for I almost said Halloween. Oh my god, so perfect for Valentine's Day. A little pink moment. It has 3 different palettes that you can create so many looks. The highlighter, it's absolutely stunning. The blushes are beautiful. I only used one, but super pigmented. The shadows were really nice to blend out. You guys saw the look. I just really enjoyed this collection. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys know what to do. Make sure you guys give this video a like. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below and turn those notifications on so you guys are notified whenever we upload a new video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.